Hello parents, today we shall learn how to upload the summative paper. First, log in to the MyD School app using the user ID and password given to you. Click on the assignment section and download the question paper. Let's click on the history exam practice paper. Now write the answers of the question paper in the worksheets provided to you by the school. In case if you do not have the worksheet, you may write the same on a foolscape paper or in a notebook. Once you have finished writing all the answers, go back to the app, click on the notification section and click on the link provided to upload the paper. Remember, your phone or laptop has to be signed into a Google account. Once you have clicked on the link to upload the paper, type in all the details like your name, standard, division and roll number. Then click on Add File under page 1. Click on Select Files from your device. Click on the camera icon. Take the photograph of your first page. And click on Upload. Similarly, repeat the steps for the rest of the pages that you have written. Remember, you can only upload a maximum of 10 pages. Once you have uploaded all your written pages, click on Submit. So this is how you appear for your summative paper.